We paint here, we do paper mache, sewing happens here, carpentry, photography, we also do embroidery here. So the space needs to be able to store all the tools of trade that are involved in the processes. When I started the Photo Plus journey, I started working first from a room at home. Very soon the work got too dusty and too noisy, and the pieces got much larger. As luck would have it, a space really close, actually walking distance from home, became available. However, it was a tiny, really small two-room space, quite dark. So in the process, we ended up actually creating more windows than there were in the space. Taking away walls which left deep gashes on the floor, we came up with an interesting solution by way of which we painted teak wood boards with motifs that are very frequently used in what I do, and we knocked them into place wherever the flooring has gone missing. The other problem that faced us was the size of the studio itself. To overcome that, we have made really narrow shelving units, narrow cupboards, and even a narrow computer table which folds out. In terms of the things that I have bought in the studio, there is a lot of material which I have scoured locally at flea markets and on random walks around town. A glass case that was being thrown out by a bakery which was undergoing renovation, and it used to be used to store ladi pav, a common breakfast in Mumbai. It was a beautiful mid-century piece which I immediately salvaged. A wonderful piece that I found in Chor Bazaar was mid-century drawer unit with numbered drawers, which actually stores all the materials that I would require for almost all the things that I do. So the space has to be designed in a way that not only allows us to store all the tools of trade that are required for completing all these functions effectively, but also provide the flexibility for us to shift from one function to the other as easily.